How many hours did you sleep, especially during exam time?
How to avoid procrastination?
Yeah, we finished first half of the portion before December.
Hi, I'm Charunetra
And I'm Shriyuha. We're studying grade 11
in Anan International School.
Last year when we were appearing for our board exams, we had a lot of doubts.
So we are here to clear those questions for our juniors.
So here we have the questions. We'll start. How many hours did you sleep, especially during exam time?
During board exam, we made sure that we got a lot of sleep.
But during our school exams, we were basically sleep deprived.
Yeah. So next. How to avoid procrastination?
We're basically professional procrastinators.
But actually this built a lot of pressure in the last minute.
So we avoid to avoid it as much as possible. How many hours did you study in a day?
Actually I studied for 3 to 4 hours per day.
That was during the school time. At the end, it was about 6 to 7 hours a day.
During board exams, it was like 6 to 7 hours per day. So next one. Were you under pressure? Of course we were under pressure. No one actually forced us, but the social expectations indirectly forced us.
But we did get stressed out at a lot of times, but at the end, the result was worth it. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Which section did you write first in exam?
This is basically a common question that everyone has in their mind.
I usually start from section A and go in order.
Yeah, even I follow the same thing, but it's according to them, how they are comfortable with. Nothing is wrong in that. We start from A.
Yeah.
How to stop playing the music in your head?
We're still figuring that out.
Even now we have that habit. We don't know, basically.
Yeah. Does group study help?
Of course.
You end up getting distracted.
We end up chatting,
gossiping, and doing
everything except studying.
Yeah.
So not a perfect thing for us. Maybe for someone. What percentage did you actually expect and what did you get?
Both of us got 98%.
Honestly, we weren't expecting anything.
We just wanted to give our best.
Yeah.
Which subject did you find difficult?
To study, SSC was actually tough.
But then to score marks, English was
it was actually tough. Did you study in the night or in the morning?
I am a night owl. I study better at night.
But I am a morning person. I wake up early to study.
What kind of study method did you use?
We personally didn't have any study method. We went according to our teacher's plan.
Yeah, we finished first half of the portion before December and the second half within Feb.
Yeah, and then we had split test and pre-boards.
Yeah. So we just followed our teacher's schedule.
Yeah. Last one. Did you use your phone or TV?
We didn't feel like using it because we had a lot to study.
But actually we had a phone. We didn't use it for any entertainment purposes.
We used it like to communicate with each other.
Yeah, it was actually necessary, but not for entertainment purposes.
Yeah.
We're done with the questions.
We also thanked the school management because we had a lot of questions and we didn't have anybody to ask these questions.
We are happy to answer these questions so that you may get cleared all those doubts.
I know we answered all the questions very short. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask your teachers and parents, however silly it may be. Because you're not alone in this, you need everybody's support in this. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you.